Cool, welcome guys. It's been a while, like a week, but it's okay. We can go ahead and get going with this. I love how I've got like random Bitcoin charts. That's the thing that we're gonna do, guys. We are going to I was hosting Mathcake. That's cool. I was automatically hosting her, and then she went offline, so we stopped hosting her. I did something off camera. I made this little exchange command not require you to have, so we can say exchange BTCs are, and then that like can do the exchange for the market that I use, but this is the BTC USD, which is pretty cool. So pretty stoked about that. That didn't take very long to do. I just edited my existing exchange to do a default if the length is 0, so definitely wasn't an issue. I'm about to sneeze. I can't help it. I want to sneeze, but I can't sneeze. Okay, we sneezed. I guess let's update Git with that then. So I sneeze. That was my sneeze. Let's do the thing where we update Git. Update Git. I can't even speak straight. What we're gonna do is we're gonna commit our changes. Updated default exchange case. That's good enough. Push it, because why not? So what I actually wanted to do was I wanted to make it so that I could see how much my how much money I have in my account. So in order to do that, I kind of need to generate an API key and then have it in my env file, but I can't show you guys that. So I'm just gonna go Luno API key. I'm gonna do this off camera. We're gonna do some off-camera stuff here because I need to get onto Luno and go and get an API key, and then I need to I need to go fill that in eventually. So many things to do. Okay, we're with. What is up with this? Where can I sign in? I need to sign in. I need to sign in and look at everything. The horror. Wait, I need to Google Luno API. Let's just have Twitch chat showing in case any of you guys show up. So that's the thing. But yep, we are live, which is good. Glad that's working. And I need to get an API key. So, because I think we have the Luno API working. Like we're able to get the price of things. But the way this get ticker data thing works, which is like an API call it's not an API call. The way that this get ticker data works is it doesn't need an API. It's just like when you're working with the Luno API, you do actually need to get you need like credentials so I can see my own wallet and stuff, which could be a problem. Luno API key. Sorry, I'm Googling this on the side. So that's the thing. This used to be so much easier. Why is it so difficult to find my... I found it. So just for the record, that's what it looks like. It's just luno.com/en developers. So that's the thing. I just need to sign in off camera because that could be bad if you know how to sign into my account. So yeah. I mean, it doesn't matter if you have the 4-digit code, because, or maybe it does, but I just typed in my 4-digit little authentication codey thing, and now I have to go back to the Luno API key. Luno API key. Give me an API key. And I always forget this. I always forget that I need to have like some special thing. Anyways, we need to create a key. Trading bot. I'm going to label it that so that I can delete it if I ever decide to do something bad. And yeah, restricting the IP address and stuff as well so people like you can't see it. I'm going to take this off screen quickly just so that I can go into my environment variables and add this in. So I'm going to have Luno API key and Luno API secret. Just so that I can successfully keep those there. Doing this all off camera because this stuff should not be there. So we have API key and API secret. Okay, cool. Can successfully put this back here. So now I've got that saved in a file that you guys can't see, which is kind of a good thing. Safe, good thing to do. I always forget to click next on this stupid thing. So yeah, that's definitely an issue, but it's all good. We are back. Now, what's going through my mind? I'm trying to think. The best way for me to kind of do this is to just open a new window on the side. Well, not on the side, but open one of my existing projects that already has done this, because that would save me a lot of time from thinking and stuff. So I'm going to go to an existing application that I have, and I'm going to go look up Luno API. So I want to fetch my balances. Okay, cool. So I have a bunch of balances. I'm just thinking what we're going to want to do is the new command that we want to do. Let's start off with that structure. We're going to have a case for balance. And I mean, we'll just return console.log get balance. So now when we run the bot, we'll do the bot run. It's going to happen. The bot is being run, which is good. Fantastic. The bot is online. If I type in balance, I will get balance. There we go. It's printed there. So that's a good start. Fantastic. So that's good. That's good that that starts to happen. Let's actually make a command that does balance.ts. And while we're at it, let's look at we don't need the quote. Oh, we do need the quote system, because the quote is a good one for us to read. Why do I have this? What's this interface do? Do I just not use the interface for some reason? Oh, if the interface isn't being used there, I don't need to store it there. I'm just trying to look at the class and how we set it up. So we're gonna copy that basically. So we'll have a class, and we'll call it balance command. Cool. And I want to have cooldowns as a, actually it's not going to be a per user thing, because the balance is for the group to look at the cooldown. So maybe, oh, what other cooldowns do we have? Shout out. Do we have like a cool cooldown setting for that? Nope. Shout out is just a straight up command. Time is just a single cooldown for the whole thing. So I'm going to say private cooldown can equal new date. So the cooldown is going to be like the date that is created like right now. Run is going to be a function that just runs. And we first of all say if there's no channel, because we need the channel to say stuff. Actually, what am I even doing? Big boss, how's it going, dude? Welcome back. Dude, it's going good. I was away for a while, because I had to go sort out some life stuff, but I'm back. So yeah, it's good to be back. I've got a new headset, so my crappy headset from before isn't as bad. I don't remember how I did my cooldowns before. I guess there was some stuff to look at. Time command. Oh, I needed to actually export the class. So we have to say const balance command equals new balance command. I think the way that this API works is it fetches all your balances at once. I think that's what happens. Yeah. So because we're going to fetch all the balances at once, I might as well just, when we run balance, we're not going to take any parameters. We'll just go and actually fetch all the balances. Maybe we can break it out into more stuff later. I think that's the plan, but I got to figure this all out. You guys could basically, I mean, there's like $100 split across my account. So I don't keep all my money in my exchange. This is meant to be for testing and playing around with. So yeah, that's a thing. Yeah, no, thanks, dude. So we know that we're going to want the channel to say stuff. So I definitely have to go to the top and import client and channel. Channel from /client. Fantastic. And immediately we're going to say if there's no channel, then do nothing. Do absolutely nothing. We're going to need the current. I don't actually need the current. I really confused myself, haven't I? By like not having coded on this project for a while, I've really confused the crap out of myself. So that is the thing. Hang on, I just need to do some stuff on the side. Okay, we're good. How's it going your side, Big Boss? What's happening? You're like so stupid. So we're gonna silently ignore this command if it's on cooldown. The seconds we know, so at least I can work this together basically. I do need the current time. Or do I need the current time? I guess I could just say new date.getTime, because I don't reuse current time anymore. Reusing current time is just for it to say what the actual hours are. So we don't need to store this new date anyway. We'll just take it out and work it out on the spot. Done. Nothing new. Oh, how was your Easter holiday? Did you have time off? I don't know how it works in the rest of the world. South Africa got like the Friday off and the Monday off. It was pretty cool. Did we get the Thursday? No, we didn't get the Thursday off. So yeah, that was the thing. Okay, cool. So sorry, I just drank so much coffee and my face is doing weird things. We have to say channel, and then I have to say work in progress. Get my Luno balance. Blah 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 blah. Okay, cool. So if I run the project now, I have to hook this up on this side. Sorry, I can close all these now. I don't need these anymore. I have to. My bot's online, but it's not going to work. So first of all, I need to export this. So we have, what did we call? We call it balance command. Okay, so we're going to export default on type. Can I export default as balance command? Done. I'm going to say /./balance comes from there. And that means over here, we can import balance command. Balance command is fantastic. What is up with this? There's a setting here that really needs to be... okay, well, disable prettier for this line. I don't understand. It will get fixed later, it's okay. Feels dirty though. Balance command dot run. We don't have any params to stick in there, do we? And the state doesn't matter either, because it doesn't matter if you're a mod or not. We're just gonna make this cooldown. What, 20 seconds is what we said? Cooldown time. Wait, minus dot date time. Seconds. Wait a second. Sorry, I'm just trying to think. Hang on. Does this time command actually have a cooldown that happens? Oh, we have to set the new cooldown. Before we say anything. Genius. So we have a new cooldown. And that's gonna be new date. So we say new cooldown, set seconds. Yes, I think 1 minute is good enough for a cooldown on balance. Maybe we make it 30 seconds. This cooldown. And maybe we don't want to make it silent. Let's actually make it like this. So is there a place where we didn't silently set the cooldown? I don't know. I don't remember. Price command is on cool. Oh, perfect. Perfect. We'll just copy paste. I'm so lazy. I'm such a lazy dev today. I'm just copy pasting everywhere. So we will just say, we don't need to worry about this. We just say balance command on cooldown and then print Meryl's butt. Balance command on cooldown Meryl butt and so many seconds left. This is fantastic. Oh my word. This is great. If we start the bot again and we say balance, and then we say balance again, like this. Balance command is on cooldown, and then we show Meryl's butt, and then we say 52 S left. Fantastic. Yeah, they did invent copy paste for a reason. You're right. I'm never gonna feel bad about that ever again. So that's definitely great. So now I have to do an API call to actually go and fetch the fetch my balances. So the way that works is, how did I do it with my what am I doing? Okay, so we've done it before with the, not with the price. We've done it with the price. So the price, I just did it. I made a function called get ticker data. Okay, so we're going to make an asynchronous function up here. Async function. And we're going to say get balances. Yes. And it's not going to take anything in. We just straight up get the balances. There's a bug flying around my desk. Get out of here. Okay, it's fine. Well, we might live. So this is going to be a try catch because we expect things to break. So there's E for like exception. How did we, over there we just said throw new error, right? Down there we said failed to fetch balances. That's pretty much it really. So in here we're going to say const res equals await fetch. Now on Luno there is a thing called, well, https api.luno.com api/1 and balance. I think we're able to get all my balances by doing this. We'll have to see. I don't know if it's really gonna work. And then the second parameter is the options. Now options are meant to be, you have something called method, which is just to get. And then I need to add headers. So make this actually on the first line. Headers, and headers is going to be, you have to put an authorization like that. And then inside there, we're going to say, we have to get our Luno API key and our Luno secret. So we're going to say const. We're going to get it out of process.env. It's going to be fantastic. Do we get anything else? Do we get it from the client? I guess, yeah, I can get my other stuff from here as well. So we can say Luno API key. Sorry, I had to do that part off camera. I mean, what you're seeing now is fine to be on camera. But I put this in my environment variable. So these should be exported from here, I think. Well, I mean, it's like they should. I mean, they can be. So we don't have to get them from here. Instead, we'll get our Luno API key and our Luno API secret from here. I want to keep that open just to look at it. But apparently I should be able to throw in something called basic over here, and then there's some weird wacky magical stuff I've got to do here. Base64 dot encode. Did I do any base64 stuff in this app? Let me just look. Base. No, I did not. Yeah, no base64 stuff in this app. Okay, that's fine. So there's a library called base64, and we need to use it. Import base64, not 74, 64. From, I swear I did it somewhere before. I'm not sure where I did it before. I needed to do it. I'm sure I had to do it in here somewhere. Sorry. I want to find this. Didn't we do any weird magical stuff? I think we were going to. Oh, the access token stuff in here. Yes, and then we didn't need to do it in the end, so we got rid of it, I think. Yeah, there's no weird base64 stuff in here. Is there any base64 package in here? In our dependencies? Nope. Okay. That means we need to yarn add, or no, we're doing npm, sorry. So we're gonna say, oops, we heard a noise there, guys. Npm install base64. Or it's base-64. And then we're probably gonna want to install the type file for that as well. So it's busy installing, it's doing its thing, which is great. And then we say at types / base64. Fantastic. It's happening. It's actually happening. Fantastic. Okay, cool. Over here we're gonna put a comma. Oh, I'm having a heart attack. No, I'm not having a heart attack. Okay, cool. Base64 encode. And in here, we want to encode 2 strings separated by a colon. And the first one that goes in here is the Luno API key. And second, put in the Luno secret. Oh, it feels good. Feels fantastic, actually. Now, how do I manage this response? I guess let's go get the price thing back in here. How did we do it here? Over here we got a response, and we have to check if the response is okay. So we say if the response is not okay, then we throw another error. Throw a new error. And I guess we also say failed to fetch balances. So I'm going to copy paste that. Bam. Failed to fetch balances. It's just the thing that we throw. And then we're going to say const balances equals await res.json. JSON like the Hardy docking. And then we're going to return. Ugh. What are we going to do? We want to return, yeah, the balances. Because we're getting balances. Okay, cool. So theoretically, we will be able to call that in here. We'll be able to say const balances equals await get balances. Yes. And that means run needs to be asynchronous. And it's going to be a promise now that doesn't actually return anything. Fantastic. And I just want to console log balances to see what we're going to get. I'm probably going to need to look at my phone to understand what we're going to get as well. So this is going to be interesting. We have to say yarn start. It's happening. It's happening. What is Jason doing? I've been invited to a burger night by Hardy King. When is this happening? I think it's Friday night, guys. It's Hardy King. We do not get to stream on Friday night because he's done a thing. Okay, so theoretically, this will work. But obviously, because it's me, we're gonna have a problem. Balance. I think I just write balance, right? And do I just write deprecated? What's deprecated? Unhandled, failed to fetch balances. Where? Line 87. Do I have to specifically say what asset pair I need my balances for? API balance. I'm just trying to think. Do I have to say asset and then, yeah, assets equals BTC? I don't know, dude. I don't freaking know. Let's see. Let's see if that does anything. Let's rerun this, because I don't know what the problem is. Wait. I need to check something on the side. As usual, you know, freaking things are broken. Let's try it again. I don't think this is gonna work. There we go, another problem. Error originated either by throwing inside an ASIC without a catch block or by rejecting a promise which was not handled with a catch. Okay, but that's this over here. So we got the dot catch. Damn it. Okay. Fail to fetch balances. Why? Let me just console.log res over here. Say to see if it got here. And let's say we did it over there. See if that does anything. Rerun the bot to see if it breaks there or if it breaks, you know, in this .json thing over here. Because that could be the problem. I'm just trying to think, why does this happen? How could this happen to me? Because maybe I need to actually write the error out and say what it is, you know, so that we can help figure out what's wrong here. Because we're not printing the error. Okay, so it doesn't. Oh, it does. Okay, so it's a 401 unauthorized. So theoretically, that's not the problem. It says unauthorized, so it means something's wrong with my Luno API key and API secret. I'm just gonna check something quickly. Okay, API key and API secret are correct. And API key and API secret are there. Okay. I can show you guys this again. My client side. Flip. Okay. It's all good. It's all good. We'll figure it out one step at a time. So it says unauthorized. So maybe what I'm going to need to do is go to Luno, look at my API keys, figure out what is going on. Why is this happening? Oh, I have to sign in again. Holy flip. How often do you have to sign into these kinds of things? It's probably a good thing I need to sign in it so that I can not have all my Bitcoin stolen, you know? All 78 of my Bitcoin. No, I'm joking. I'm not that rich. I freaking wish, right? 88330. Okay, all right. Next up, what am I doing? Okay, API key. Let's go. Get my API key. Oh, I failed to create the key. I always do that. I forget to, like, you know, do everything. Okay, so we're gonna call it TraderBot. Permissions, set my permissions, set the restricted IP and all that stuff. Okay, I need to take this off screen again to fill this in. Because for some freaking reason, I have failed. So I've got to do all the next things, and then, oh, I have to check my push notifications. So I need to actually go into Luno and follow the instructions to add my API key. This happens to me every time, and I always remind myself, I'm like, I need to go do this thing. And then it's like, nope, that's not the problem. So yep, I want to authorize adding the API key on my phone. Mission success. Just done. You're creating an API key. You've done it. Okay, theoretically now, guys, if we rerun the bot now, we should be able to get the balance. Balance. Carl has arrived. Carl, look at how much Bitcoin I have if this works. Nope, failed, guys. It failed. Bad request. Okay, progress. I forgot to set up my API keys properly. Don't worry, my API keys aren't on the actual screen. I don't think I need that. I don't think I need this response. We're all good. So yeah, you can't even see the headers because I'm fancy that way. But yeah, welcome, Carl. Let's see if this works. If this random account of mine can be accessed. Balance. We're doing it. I just realized I forgot to log out of Teams, so I don't want to have people notice me. That will be fine. You missed nothing. Okay, there's a whole bunch of balances with like data that I can't read. So the actual joys. I guess I can look at balances.balance. I could just go to balance, I guess, and then read out balance and maybe take out those brackets so that I can see more. Oh, the node console does not work as nice as everything else, right? How's your day been, Carl? What's going on? Wait, why can't I? Okay, there we go. You're on start. Type in balance along. And then I want to print it. There we go. I can see all my little balances. I have Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, XBT. Oh, that's just Bitcoin, right? I need to get my savings IDs and my actual account IDs out of this. So Ripple and ZAR and all that stuff. Actually, wait, what? There should be some, right? $C. I think all my money's in Ethereum. There's a chunk in Ethereum and a chunk in... I think all my money's in Ethereum. Wait, I have to actually look at my Luno wallet. Because, I mean, flip. Okay, yeah. Okay, there should be 0.001 Bitcoin, which is like $1,000. It's all good. ZAR. Sorry, gotta read this. Okay, there's 2 XBTs. Yeah, so this is my main account. And then this over here is my my savings account. So I feel like I need to save those. I'm just gonna say because I have savings accounts for USDC and ETH and BTC. So I want to make it so that it doesn't show so that it filters out the account IDs where it matches my where it matches those other IDs. So what I'm going to do is quickly go off camera. Well, not completely off camera, but I'm going to say I'm going to cough, sorry. I'm going to make some environment variables. Luno savings, BTC, and then Luno savings, ETH, and then a Luno savings USD. USDC. Cool. And now I got to find out which account is which. So yeah, give me a second while I'll do that. Okay, so I've got my Bitcoin savings. I've got my Ethereum. Wait, that's my Ethereum, but not my Ethereum savings. Okay, my Ethereum savings is coming out. And then my USDC. Wait, I don't know what my balance is for USDC. Sorry. Give me a second. Okay, the one has got 25 cents in, that's my savings, and the other one's got almost nothing in. Okay, those are saved. Now I can move back to my code view. So that's the savings one. And now what I want to do is filter out savings accounts and Bitcoin Cash, because and ZAR, I guess, as well, because we only want the USDC or BTC to USDC, Ethereum to USDC. Can I get other ones to USDC? Sorry, I have to look at the exchange. Oh, those are the only ones I can buy USDC with. Oh, that's weird. Thought this might be a bit more fun. I guess we can do Rand to Ripple. Do I want to though? We could do Ripple to BTC. I'm just want to look at this price thing quickly. I'm doing some exploration. If we do Ripple, because I need to think about small increments. Maybe we do XRP to BTC. Maybe. Like solid maybe. So first of all, I need to get my Luno from here. We're gonna say Luno savings BTC. I saved this environment variable somewhere. Luno savings BTC, and then Luno savings ETH, and then the Luno savings XRP. No, not XRP, USDC. Okay, and we're gonna add these to our export down here. I know there's syntax to make it better and stuff, but like honestly, I like actually seeing what's specifically in there instead of just saying all. Okay, so now we want to go over the balance because this is a balance array. So we're going to say const filtered balances. It's going to equal balance dot filter. And we're going to say this is where we're going to say we need all those other things, don't we? Yeah, I guess we still have them pasted. We're going to look at this list. And we're going to say if the list includes B. It's not even B, is it? It's the we have an asset. No, it's an account ID. Well, it's theoretically both. It's account ID and asset. So in here we say account ID. So we want to say if it doesn't include the account ID and it does include includes we want to say USDC, I think. Yeah, USDC, ETH. Well, I guess let's do XBT. XBT for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and USDC. We'll just say later here. Cool. I'm gonna say that equals the asset. See if we save. This freaks out. So I think for balances, we need to actually say we need to make a like. Oh wow, this is also annoying. I need to like fix that. See, that's right, but then you know the I don't know, my importer thing tool doesn't work very nicely with this. Yeah, do some checking there because I'm sure it works on my work machine, but yeah, alas, it doesn't seem to work anywhere else. Wow. I guess I can just enable ESLint disable prettier. Oh. Entire file. Yes. Okay, we will disable it and enable it. That's how this will work. Enable. There we go. It's perfect. Absolutely perfect. Now prettier works everywhere else. Okay. So the filtered balance. Ugh. Okay. What were we gonna do? I don't remember. Okay, wait. So this is a typing error. So how we're gonna fix that is we're gonna make an interface for the output. I'm gonna say interface balance, and that's gonna be account ID, which is a string, asset, which is a string as well. I mean, theoretically, it could be more than just a string, but yeah, let's keep it like a string so it's more flexible for now. Balance is also a string, ironically. Reserved is a string. Unconfirmed. We're gonna probably refine all this stuff later as a string as well. Okay. And we will say await, and this will be balance array. Cool. And that means this should, what? Why is this not working? Balance does not exist on, oh shit. Say a response. Okay, interface response. And it's gonna be balance, and it's gonna be a balance array. Bam. That means balance does exist, and it's a balance array. And oh, it's freaking wonderful. So we're able to say exactly what we want, which is fantastic. Right. So next up, we want to say, I guess we just want to get our balances. So we want to say, so we should actually just naturally get our balances here. It will be like BTC. We do want to replace XBT with BTC. So that's the thing. So what was I going to say here? Flip. I've confused myself. There's so many things that's going on here now. I'm thinking ahead of myself, which is not good. So we first filter the balances, and then we're gonna get the result. So what we're gonna say in here is Luno balances. Luno balances will be like this, and then we'll say I don't know how we're actually gonna structure this. We'll say const response. Will it be a response? Result. That's gonna be the filtered balances dot map, and in here we'll say result, and we will say what to say. Oh wait, no, that's not what we're gonna say. Yo, there's a lot that's going on. It's quite crazy. I wonder if we'll probably want to fetch the balances and actually show the balances automatically upon things that happen. That's pretty cool, actually, now that I think of it, because we will reuse this command somewhere else somewhere soon. Okay, so we'll have like an override command or something. Okay, so the map here. I'm just trying to think. So in here we'll have the asset, and balance. Reserved, because we'll have a balance. Okay, but then we'll have like we'll have reserved as well, which is like, you know, available. Luno available balance. And that's going to be the numbers divided by the thingies that we sheesh, I'm going all over the place. Okay, so we need reserved as well. And we're gonna say, give me a bunch in here, and we'll dot join the results here with a little thing like this. Big boss, you're laughing at my failure. So we're gonna say asset. So first of all, we have asset, and first we're gonna say if the asset equals xbt, then we want to make it print out BTC, because that's actually what we want. Otherwise, we just say the asset. Yeah, that's great. Progress. Okay. So we'll say BTC, and then we'll say do we actually, we'll say like thingy and then BTC. So we'll say the value, and then we'll say the actual currency. So it'll be like 0.001 BTC. That's great. Okay, we're sorted. We're good to go. We'll do some other calculations later. Just right now, it's like it's too much for me. It's too much. One step at a time, right? That's where we make it better and better. Okay. Because I want to see the balances, and then I want to actually enable like trading, like across accounts. How cool would that be? Anyways, so we're gonna say the balance. We'll get the number version of the balance. Balance minus the number version of reserved will be my actual available balance. Let's do that. Do I have utilities for? No. I'm sure I had that somewhere. Up here? Was it up here? Get base counter precision. I'm trying to think now. Okay, balance. We're just gonna get base asset precision, I think. We'll have another function for that. I have that written down somewhere on the side here. So give me a second while I need to go find my utilities. Okay. Get units precision. Okay. So I have a special thing, I think. Oh no, I don't actually know what it is now. Because we're gonna be mostly trading between yeah, we don't have to round this off. Okay, we will figure this out. Okay, I think it automatically rounds off actually. We should be fine. If there's like, we'll refine it later. Okay, let's okay, let's see if this works. Let's see if this actually works. Holy flip, guys! Imagine this works. That'd be amazing. What the heck is going on down here? Okay, it doesn't matter. We will Control C the 1,000,000 times to make sure that it. I don't know what's going on, guys. I think we broke the bot. There we go. I started a new terminal. Okay, yarn start. Oh, I hope I didn't break anything. Okay, now we're gonna say balance. Let me see how much Bitcoin I have. Holy crap. Yeah, we definitely need to round things off here. That's not right. I mean, the Ethereum is correct and the USDC is correct, but hmm. I wonder if I can like underscore these together actually, just to make it so that this is on a new line together. Can we do that? Yeah, I don't really need to print the results anymore. There's a few things we need to do. We need to round the pairs off, so that's definitely something. But the other thing we need to do is, yeah. Okay, you see, if we do that, then at least it's rounded off, so it is easier to read. I think that's good. I'm not a fan of the underscore, but yeah, this needs to be rounded off. Holy crap. I know when you do like mathematics and JavaScript, everything breaks, but that's fine. So I need to check my phone. Okay, but first of all, let's get the make a function called. We're just gonna call it function, right? Okay, a function get asset precision. And we'll say asset. It's a string. And we'll do a switch. And we'll say case. I mean asset in there. And we'll have case, and the one will be XBT. And for all of these, we're just going to return like 8 for now. I'll look at my phone to see what the correct thing is. ETH is going to return 8. Case USDC is going to return. How many US dollars should we return? I guess just 2, right? I mean, in my Luno account, it does like 6. Default will return 0. It's like no precision. So we just do 6, right? It's Bitcoin, it's 6. If it's Ripple, it's 4. I don't know what to do if it's 0. Ethereum also does. Ethereum does 5. What happens if I take all my Ethereum out? Yeah, I'm a confused little sod. I think they're all just like 6. Oh wait, Bitcoin does like 8. I don't know, guys. I'm freaking confused. And Ethereum does 6, right? Well, Ethereum also does 8. USDC does 6. Okay, good enough for me. Switch. What's wrong with? Okay, cool. In here we'll just say get asset precision. Oh, nope. Get asset precision, and we'll say the number. Oh, okay. Get asset precision, and we'll say the number. Oh, wait. We want to say this number dot to fixed, and then we'll say get asset precision to the asset. Okay. What is wrong with you? Why are you not? I don't understand. Do I need to add another bracket? I did have to add another bracket. Only to remove all my brackets. Okay, fine, fair enough. That works. That works. It's fine. Okay, so theoretically, if we rerun this now, oh my gosh, this better freaking work. I'll be bleak if this doesn't. Theoretically, oh, my Bitcoin has traveled. Balance. Ah. Okay. Okay. All right. Wait, the bot just ran and stopped? That's not supposed to happen. It's supposed to keep running. That's better. Balance. Okay, we have no Ethereum. We have so much Bitcoin and we have so much US dollar coins. So very little, actually. Like holy crap. We'll probably like refine that process. Why do we have 0 Ethereum? We don't have 0 Ethereum. Broken, guys. No, you can't put the command on cooldown. Ah, shit. Okay. Hmm. Okay. So we have to wait 30 seconds because I'm an idiot. We have to wait another 10 seconds because I'm still an idiot. So the Ethereum one does actually tell me that I should use 5 digits based on what's there. So I'm going to use 5 digits because I don't think we need all of those. If I go look at my Bitcoin balance, it also says I should use 6 digits there. Anything less than 6 matters a lot less. My USDC, I think it tells me how much I have based on the amount of like USDC I have, because that says I should use 6. Okay, well, we'll go with that. Let's do this and restart the bot. I don't really need the console log anymore. Ditch that as well. Okay. Balance. Why do I have 0 Ethereum? Did I put the wrong thing in there? Because we have balance. There's no balance in there. Let me just make sure that my accounts are correct. So 1 second. Ah, I put the wrong savings accounts in there. My bad. Okay, well, we're safe again. So theoretically, heck is going? Is it? Sounds like a garbage truck's outside, to be honest. Okay, so we have 0.0109 Ethereum as a balance. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool indeed. I guess we'll say we'll change this command to available. We'll change the whole command to available because I think because we'll probably have some other ones saying value, you know. Just means that I need to index available command and we're good, I think. This just needs to change. Not this bullshit again. Oh my word. I hate this. I hate this prettier command thing. Holy flip. I used to love it until I stopped loving it. Now I do not love it. So this has got to be, we want to import that. Okay, fantastic. Next up, we have okay, cool. So we have the balance thing working. It shows our balance. It shows our Bitcoin balance. Sorry. We've changed the command to be available. Fantastic. So that's the available balance. Do we want to just make another one for balance that like almost acts as its own thing where it just gets the balance? So we have available, which gives us our available funds like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and USDC, which is cool. And then we can say the value, the wallet value. Maybe we don't want to do that now though. Trying to think what we really want to do. I mean, it's cool that we have this available balances, but maybe we can do the stats stuff later when we have an existing working, like, you know, application. Let's save the bot right now. Git commit. I need to change my stream title. My stream title's been wrong this whole time because we've moved on to building a trading bot. Implemented available balance command. It's pretty cool that that just works though. I mean, that's pretty fantastic. I'm gonna go onto my Twitch dashboard quickly and update my stream title because, yeah, access to not. I'm on the wrong account. Lazy crypto trader. Oh, fantastic. Okay, sweet. Let me edit the stream info and say Twitch chatbot development. Building a trading bot. Twitch trading bot. There we go. We've done it. I think. We've changed our title. Freaking wizardry, right? Wow, I'm amazed. Anyways, I've successfully lost a follower in the process of all of this. So definitely moving backwards in life. Right, next up, we would like to... I'm trying to think what would be the best thing that we do next now. Should we... I think we could try and make it so that we can trade. Like, so what I want to do is almost like start running a recurring bot on the side that monitors prices. I've done this before. We'll call it the counter trader. Maybe that doesn't go under APIs. Twitch API, which is cool. But we probably want to have a... Maybe we do call it counter trader. The counter trader will be a bot that runs with this bot. It runs together. And it keeps monitoring prices. I'm just thinking what we could do is we could just like fetch the price every every time a trade changes. There's a lot that we need to do here. So we have to run the counter trader bot, which will do its thing. It will keep rolling and rolling and rolling and rolling to check if new trades have happened. Is that how my current bot works? Yeah, it keeps listening, and then if a new trade has happened, it counter trades. So it trades like back what just happened. Now I built this before. So we're just gonna call this Luno. This will be our bot that calls the Luno API and keeps trading and stuff. I'm just trying to think what the best process would be. and how long I want to go on for, because I don't think I can carry on too much longer. I think what we'll try and do is build something that constantly checks if anything's happened, any trades have happened. And then if a trade has happened, we're just gonna, we'll print it to the console. We'll make it say something in chat. Because that's probably the best thing we can do. I don't need this right now. Let's yarn start the bot just for the sake of starting it. Well, all my API calls on here. Fantastic. So I'm just looking at this, like, so we'll call this Luno, Luno API. Feels a bit dirty, but yeah, essentially, one of the things we want to keep in here private, and we want to say balances. I think we want to say balances. I don't even know. Balances. Yes, because if we keep holding this, then yeah, okay, cool. A balance will be, balance is going to equal an array, but it will be an array of balances. And that balance will be what we actually have in this command up here. Same thing. It's just that we want that for later. We're not using it yet, but we do want that for later. We're going to have a function called start, which will be a public thing. So we'll have the Luno API actually start, and that will trigger the bot. Or we'll call it monitor trades. Start trades monitor. Yeah, that sounds about right. And then we're going to export default. Oh, we have to make it. How do we do it over here? Do we just call it Twitch API? Yeah, const Twitch API. Const Luno API. Equals new Luno API. I wonder if we can make our Luno API just like fetch prices all the time. Because we might want to do that, like just like start trades monitor and then have it let's just call it start, and then we can have it fetch prices all the time, and then when people ask the bot, you know, what's the current price, then it will just like show it. We can even make it like, you know, post the prices every hour and stuff like that. There's so much you can do with the bot. This is crazy. This is insane. So yeah, what was I gonna say? Okay, Luno API, we got that. Our Luno API is there, it's good to go. Right, next up we want to do the following. We would like to, there's so much to think about. Like, I want to do the price thing, but I also want to do a bot that monitors things. So I think we'll do the bot that monitors things. Let's see. I got to remember how I did this, because I did this before calling functions, but we actually might want to just have like a class-based system. So this right now is not important, and either, well, we'll comment it out as if we're going to use it later. Okay, so starting, I'm going to make a spread value, and the spread is going to be 0.2. So that's going to be like the percentage. And then we want to like basically monitor all BTC to USDC and monitor the BTC or ETH to USDC. Those are the only trades we're going to monitor. We're going to buy and sell Bitcoin and Ethereum using US dollar coins. And we're going to set the start time to be new date, just date like right now. And I think, yeah, that's pretty much going to be it. How does my monitor trades work? Oh, this is horrible. I'm just trying to think now. How is this gonna work? Okay. So the way it would work is we would we need to, so how the monitor function is going to work, and I guess it runs privately because it doesn't run inside anything. So a monitor trades function would be like a void. I guess it would be a promise, actually, promise with a void. And this will also be a void. This just triggers them off. They don't actually have to wait for themselves. This is going to be a recurring function, so it constantly remonitors trades. So first of all, we're going to fetch any trades that happened, that occurred. We'll have like a pair in here, which will be, we're going to make a pair interface. So start up here and make an interface called pair. I guess if we're going to be alphabetical later, we'll do this. Interface pair. It's not an interface, it's a type. Type is pair. And I think the way pair will work is we'll have XBT to USDC and ETH to USDC. So those are going to be the supported pairs that we have, which is all good, I think. We should be fine there. So we'll fetch the trades that occur, and we'll have to say what pair we're fetching it for. So that's the first thing we do. Wait, sorry. I'm trying to figure this out. And then we will get results. I guess we have to say like if there are new results. Yeah, so get the results. Or that we basically say like, you know, a little double space and say if there are trades, then for each trade, make a counter trade at the spread value. The spread is not even going to change, to be honest. Yeah, is that spread even going to change? No, we'll just set the spread up here. Constant, we'll call it spread. We'll say 0.2. It's a spread value that won't change. Okay, so we make these trades. Cool. And then repeat using latest trades timestamp. So we'll have some timestamps. Like I guess we'll monitor trades that occur from the start of this bot and then like kind of trade. I'm just trying to think the best way to get a timestamp using the date object thing, but I guess that's not a problem right now. So I think, and we'll call this like every we'll have a waiting period where we call this every like 5 seconds or so. We can call it every 10 seconds, to be honest. Set timeout. And we'll say console.log. Or we're going to actually just call it monitor trades. Why not to trades? Why not Python? Because I prefer JavaScript. Yeah, that's pretty much it really. I'm a big JavaScript fan. I do this for a living, so I'm more comfortable with it. You know, you pick a language that you're comfortable with. If you end up doing a language that you're not comfortable with, you end up making mistakes. But yeah, that's basically it. I code a lot faster in JavaScript. So yeah. And it does do all the same things, except maybe some mathematical things, but that's not that important for this part. Okay, so we refetch that. I'm just trying to think now. What's the best way to do this? So we got to fetch the trades. How many years of experience do you have? It's hard to answer. I mean, I started coding in 2010, so 11 years ago, but that was with Java, and now I'm doing yeah, I don't know. I think I started web development in 2013. And then I started working full time in JavaScript in around 2015. So yeah, hopped over to TypeScript and really enjoyed that in 2017. That's when I started with that. So yeah, it's been a while. So between 5 and 10 years, I guess, is what I'd say. If someone was to ask. Right. Okay, so now I'm trying to think what could I do here. So we need to, I guess let's build a fetch trades method. I could probably just put this in this class actually. Privates and say fetch trades. How are we going to do this fetch trades? Private asynchronous function, we'll call it fetch trades. And this fetch trades will take the pair as well, which is cool. Do we need to take anything else? We have to say since. So the way the API works is there's a timestamp for since. And that's a like a number. I think we always have to say that, right? Yeah. So we're gonna say since, which is the number. And this will also be an asynchronous function, but it's not going to return a void. It will just return. Why has this got a problem? Represents a completion of an asynchronous operation. Their type is neither void nor any must return a value. But my type is declared void. I don't understand. I guess I could just say return. And it would be okay. That's pretty random. I wonder why that complains. Oh well, we'll make it unknown for now. We'll get back to it. We just won't set it. It's fine. Oh, right. It can't be asynchronous. Or we forgot to set it to be asynchronous. My bad. Now we make it void. There we go. Sorted. So we're good there, which is great. Right. Next up, the next thing I wanted to do was fill in this fetch trades thing. So this is going to return a response. It's not actually returning a void. It's returning, we're going to call it a trade. And this trade, I've done this before. It's quite an interesting interface. I guess I don't need this in your model. This trade interface, we'll make it here, interface trade. It's got quite a lot of information. It's got a string. How is it possible that most traders use AI and still make profit? The best bot wins. It's kind of hard to make like the best bot, because the way that it works is everyone has their own strategies, and basically it's actually super hard to explain it, because basically in trading you have different strategies, and different strategies counter other strategies. So it's almost like It's sort of the best bot wins. Yes, that's exactly how it works. The way I've built my bots before, I'm not like a super amazing like trader guy. Like I'm a good programmer who's recently gotten into trading, and I don't actually do trading. I just invest. I buy and hold. It feels like a much better strategy than anything else because the bot trading is still pretty risky. But basically, what I usually do, and what I'm going to do for this Twitch chat bot, because I want to make it so that it's possible for Twitch chat to make a trade on my account. And then what my bot's going to do is my bot's going to automatically counter trade. So it's going to automatically, as soon as you buy something at, let's say like $1, I'm going to sell it for $1.01, you know, so that I get like a small profit. Or as soon as I sell something for $1, I'm going to buy it back at 99 cents. So that's like the basic version of bots. It's just automating what I would have done, you know, manually, except I'm using a spread value. So this is what my little bot is going to do. I've built this to happen automatically before, so that's why I'm going through this pretty quickly. I'm just altering it so that it works nicely with, like, to work with Twitch chat, which would be pretty cool. So yeah, that's the thing. But are you guaranteed long-term profit? No, because what could happen is, let's say it's so this bot's not to make money, this bot's to have fun on Twitch. But what could happen long term, what's possible to happen, is you could end up selling something for $1, and then the value of that thing just goes up and up and up and up and up. So then you're never able to buy back in because the price never drops down. Like imagine you're doing a bot that like sold a Bitcoin for $1, and then Bitcoin's price skyrocketed up to like far past $1. Then you'd be a bit screwed because it will never go back down to $1 for you to rebuy it back at like 99 cents. So no, there's this kind of concept's known. I think this concept is called impermanent loss. I know impermanent loss is a liquidity provider thing, but I don't know if this is the same concept where you're providing liquidity for trades and it just breaks in the end. Like if one of the pairs goes too far out of sync, then you end up losing. So there's some risk in trading like this as well, but I'm happy to take the risk, and I'm not throwing all my money into a bot. There are other bots out there. There are people a lot smarter than me, basically, out there that make really good bots that do make lots of money. And there's lots of different like bot coding strategies. This is just a super basic one that counters that, like, you know, it's guaranteed profit if a trade happens. So if you wake up and see a lot of notifications on your phone going off, it means you're making money. As long as the prices stay pretty stable, then you're good to go. But yeah, that's kind of how that works. Not that I explained that very well, but you know, definitely possible to make money off these bots. It's just the bot that I'm building now is a very conservative bot. So the profits that you make are minute, and then if you do have a chance to lose out in the long term if the price of something goes, if the price like spikes up or spikes down, you miss that marginal trading that's happening. So let's say we're like trading at this level, and then like you have like the price go up and we're still trading at this level. If the price never goes down to here, trades won't happen. If the price goes like super far down, then same kind of problem, you know. So it assumes that like everything is going to be at like a level playing field. So I usually make my bot run with like Ethereum and Bitcoin because they seem to like go up together and they go like down together. So that's like a strategy as well that you could use. Okay. So this is the type of trade that we're going to get. This fetch trades is going to hopefully work in our favor. At least, I don't know. We will see. Right. So this, we're going to have a try and catch in here. Try catch. E for exception. An exception does happen, we'll just throw a new error. What neural network model do I use? I'm not using a neural network model. This isn't a machine learning bot. This is just a basic, simple algorithmic bot. So I'm not using a neural network model for this. Failed to fetch trades. Guess I could post the message, e.message. And then we'll say the pair in here. Actually, I need to change this over to that. Cool. We'll say since and then add in the timestamp as well. Well, that since that, yeah, that will work. Nice. Great. E.message expected 1 argument but got 2. Oh, can I not do that? Oh yeah, because I'm throwing an error. We'll just put an e.message here. There we go. Fantastic. Okay, inside here we're going to say const response is going to be await, and we're going to make a fetch that happens here. Wait, is my fetch imported correctly? It is. Fantastic. So we're going to fetch, and in here we're going to say https api.luno.com, which is great. So we say api/1/list trades, and the pair, we already have the pair because it's a parameter that we're going to add in, which is cool. And now we say, we're going to say and we're going to say since equals start time. Start time. Fantastic. It's pretty cool. So that's the first parameter. Oh, it's not start time. I'm calling it since. It's simpler. Sorry. In my other application, I called it start time, and I'm confusing myself now. So in here we have, this is going to be a get. So the method is going to be get. And in the headers, we're going to have the authorization thing again. Let's just see what we did back here. It's pretty much this that we had over here. So copy paste that. I know I could just put it into its own little function, but being a bit lazy. So we'll put the authorization. Actually, maybe I should just make like a get authorization method. We'll put it up here, or down here, const authorization, and that's going to equal pretty much this string, because we will reuse this. And the Luno API key we have in our client, and the secret we also have in our client, and base64 I think comes from the package called base64. Import base64 from base-64. Fantastic, we're sorted there. Right, and now we have what we can say here is that authorization. I wonder if I can just put this all in one line. Prettier will accept it, I think. It is accepted. Fantastic. Right, so now we're going to do the check. If the response, I guess we say if the response is not okay, then we will throw an error, throw a new error, and it will pretty much be the same as this, except we won't have an exception message. So that's if the response, it's kind of weird that it would say that, but it's fine. I guess like that's where we get the try catch stuff. Now we want to say const, and we'll get trades equals await response.json. We can get trades out of that, and we will return trades, which will be, I guess, say as trade array. And I think just in case that is undefined, we will make it an empty array as well. Cool, so we're good there. Fantastic. Right, next up. Okay, so we're fetching the trades. Good start. Pretty happy with that. So I guess up here, I could say const trades equals await, because we need to wait for the trades to finish fetching. In here we'll say pair, and then the since value is just a number. Sorry, I just need to check on the side how I get this number. Oh, apparently it's math.round, whatever the start time was. So we can say math.round, and we can say instead of new date, we're gonna say this dot start time. Yeah, dot get time. Oh yes, that's gonna be this dot fetch trade. Sorry, I always forget about the whole this thing. My bad. It's okay. It's all good. Right. So we have the trades. If there are trades, then for each trade, make a counter trade at the spread value. Okay. So I think that would be make new trades. So the way we're going to make new trades is we will say, I think first of all, yeah, we'll say if trades.length bigger than 0, then we want to do some stuff, you know, almost like if there are trades, then for each trade. I want to say let latest stamp, because that's going to be latest timestamp equals 0, because we want to get like the next and upcoming timestamp. I built this in such a way that we fetch it like for ask orders and bid orders, and we store that in like an actual object of values. So yeah, the way this is going to work is we'll say trades dot for each, because we got to do the then for each trade make a counter trade, but we first have to, like, what I'm gonna do is instead of, I guess I'm not gonna, it's only gonna be like a per person kind of trade, so it's not gonna, we're not gonna have too much of a big burst. Maybe I don't need to group all my trades. Yeah, we don't have to group our trades actually. I'm just trying to think, where do I set this latest timestamp? 1 second. I guess in here we'll do the whole number thing. Okay, so for each trade, and in the trade it's going to have a price and a timestamp and a type and a volume, just in case the trades thing is more than one. Usually there'll only be one trade, so we should be fine. But we'll say if the number timestamp the number of timestamp is bigger than latest timestamp, or we just call latest stamp, no, not the question mark, bigger, if it's bigger, then we're going to set latest stamp to equal number timestamp, the number version of the timestamp. Okay, that's important because we need this latest stamp to go in into here, I think. Yeah, because we want to say the latest stamp will go, so we'll have a since in here, and this is going to be a number. So originally when we start the application, we will have like a, you know, a start. I guess we don't have to keep the start time in here. This math.round start time, or this dot start time will just be this dot date. We're gonna comment that out and keep it up here. as like a parameter for the since. And we'll say since equals, just to know what's going on there and be aware of what we're doing. Okay, cool. And then here we're going to stick the since value. Fantastic. I actually think we can say since is a optional and then can default to that. What? Okay, by saying this, we're making it optional, right? So we're saying since. Find latest stamp. Why not? Oh, we do have to say latest stamp is going to be 0. Latest stamp or this is weird. Sorry, I've got to think this through now. This could be why I have bugs in my existing code. Because I need the latest timestamp. Okay, we want to check if the latest timestamp is 0, then we'll use the since value. Otherwise, we'll use the latest timestamp plus 1, just to make sure that we don't get like existing stamps and stuff. That should do the trick. Okay, cool. Anyways, I'm not very good at explaining the messed up stuff going in my head. And now I'm all alone. Right. So now, next up, the next thing I want to do is trades. For each trade, I would like to do... My bad. Just thinking about this now. We got to do some if statements here. So we're going to say if type equals bid, then we'll do some stuff, and then we'll say else if the type is ask. So basically in here we're going to say if it's bid, then we will make new ask order. And if it's asked, then we're going to make a new bid order at like the higher spread and stuff. So we've got that going. Make a counter trade at the spread value. That will be down here. So we've already got the repeat working there. I spelled repeat wrong. Stupid idiot. Why did I do that? Anyways, okay, cool. So we're going to make a new ask order. The new ask order will be, I guess we're gonna have to do a bunch of things. I'll make const new raw price, which is just like, you know, the unformatted number. We'll get the price, what it is now, and then we're gonna times it by a percentage. It's gonna be 1 plus the spread divided by 100. So we're timesing it by like 1.02 in this case. The spread is supposed to be caps. Okay. Oh, why did I say prices there? It's supposed to just be price, I think. If I look at the trade, yeah, it's called price. Okay, cool. Okay, so we have that price, the raw price. And we're gonna say const new price is gonna be, we're gonna make a function called round price to pair. Still need to make that function. But and I need to figure out what the right values for that would be. We want to round it up. So let's go create that round price to pair, because right now I'm just trying to think, what is the price? Okay, round price to pair. I've done that somewhere else here. And I feel so messy. I feel super messy doing this, because this is becoming a really big file, but we've got to do it. Function round price to pair. We have the pair, which is pair, and we have the amount, which is number. We have round, which is we're either gonna round it up or down. Up or down. There we go. And we will start off with the precision. Oh, there's more stuff. I feel really bad. I feel really, really dirty doing this. Get price precision. Precision. Why can't I spell precision? Precision. Okay, the pair. Now the way this is gonna work, so we have another function called get price precision. Is that right? Yeah. Yeah, I just feel like my code is getting so messy. We'll probably clean it up later, so I'll feel a little bit less messy about it. But the get price precision will be a pair. And we'll say switch, and we'll say the pair, and we'll have a case XBT USDC. That pair will basically just be this pair, and we're going to return, I think the precision for this is 7. Actually, I can check in here. I can check my app quickly. I'm going to do that. I'm going to check my app and actually say what is Bitcoin to USDC. 1 second. So the price precision is just 2. Okay. But the unit precision would be more. So that's the price precision. We're going to look at ETH to US dollars coin. That's also 2. So the price precision is always going to be 2. So we know that actually. I will say for USDC to, well, BTC to USDC and ETH to USDC. That's good. Const accuracy. Why do I have an accuracy value? The math.pow. 10.precision. I don't actually know why I've done this. I think this is doesn't matter. We say function, and it's gonna if it is round equals up, then we will do math.ceil. Otherwise, if round equals down, it's all good. It's all good. Then we will do a math.floor. Otherwise, we'll do a math.round. Fantastic. Okay, this feels messy. Number. This is why I can't do a course on this kind of stuff. I'd be so bad at explaining what I'm doing because this is just all the messed up stuff that goes on in my head late at night. You know, it is what it is. So this is purely for random, weird entertainment, hangout purposes, and nothing else. I'm sure some people will hate it, but other people might enjoy it. Okay, so we're rounding the price to pair. So that's cool. We're also gonna have to round units to pair. Right. The pair doesn't actually matter. Because we're not gonna do some weird thing. Okay, but I think the round units to pair might matter. So let's put in pair there. Again, it will be amount and a number and round and up Fantastic. Otherwise down. Progress. We have made progress. This is great. This is absolutely fantastic. Round units to pair. Okay. And now we'll have const precision. Okay, I need to check my phone again. So I want to know the precision value is going to be the amount that sorry, I have to do this check. If I buy, it looks like the precision for ETH is 4. Okay, the unit precision for Ethereum is 4. And if I'm going to sell the unit precision, so the unit precision for Bitcoin is also 4. Is it? It is 4. I think it's 4. Let's buy, and I gotta say 1. Buy total 1. Okay. No, not 1 Bitcoin. 1 USDC. Amount of USDC that I'm gonna buy. I'm gonna buy 1. Must be larger than 27. Oh shit. 30. You need 30 USDC. Okay. Okay, so the unit precision there is 4. I think for both of them it is 4. I'm just checking. Sorry, I have to do some weird stuff on my phone to find this out. So we got this unit precision. Can I buy? Must be more than $2. Yes. Yes. Okay. Progress. We have made ourselves some progress. I might need to add more money into my account for this to work there. Okay, so the unit precision is always 4. Const accuracy. I guess we can just copy paste what we had, right? For the other one. That one over there, const accuracy. Yeah, cool. We reuse that. We can literally copy the same thing here. It's just that the precision is different. Feels a bit messy to have 2 functions there, but I think naming it like that is quite good. So we're sorted. We don't need a start time anymore because we have that over there. And the balance is for later. Okay, cool. We don't need pair. We don't need pair in this one either, actually. So the way this is going to work is we're going to let's figure this out. Ask ask orders, and we have a new price. The new price is this rounded thing. Const new units is going to be our thing. And we will say round units to pair. We don't have a pair. We just say number. We'll say new price. Well, we already have a new price. What am I doing? Oh shit, guys. What are we doing? Ah, I've gotten myself confused. The amount. What will the new units be? The new units will be the flip. Okay, because we're making a new ask order. So we want to ask the units will be the same as the old units actually. So we'll just have volume. Volume is the amount, and we're rounding it down. And we'll have number, volume, down. Fantastic. There's our new units. Okay, we're going to do a similar thing over here. We'll have a new raw price, new raw units, except the new raw price. It's going to be 1 minus the spread divided by 100. And then the volume, I think the new volume is meant to be, I'm saying new units, I'm going to say new volume. Volume, there we go. Okay, we have the raw price. The volume is going to be, the volume will be the same as well, I think, actually, because we're going to order the same amount. So the volume will always somewhat be the same. If we just sold, then we want to rebuy the same amount of stuff at a lower price. I think. Yeah. Yeah, pretty much. We just round it down in case there's some weird stuff going on there. Okay. And now we make a new order. So we have to post an order. So we're going to say await, and we'll say post order. Say this dot post order. We need to make the post order. And in here, we're going to say the pair, because we need the pair. Did we get the pair correct? Yeah, that's what the pair is going to be. If it's a bird, we're going to make a new ask order. We'll say a new price, and we'll say a new volume. I think we need to convert this to string. Yeah. Do we convert the price to a string as well? I guess we do theoretically, to string, because we need that to be a string for this process here. And then yeah, we pretty much got to do the same thing for awaiting the post order. So now we have to make a dot post order. So we say private async post order. Should be great. We'll have a pair, which is pairs. We're gonna have the type, which is gonna be ask or bid. It's all good and fine. We will have a price, which is just gonna be a string. I know it's like theoretically meant to be a number, but because we're posting it to the API as a string, and we'll have a volume. Fantastic. Right. This post order, how's this going to work? I guess we could state that this will be a promise that will return. Will it return a string? We will return a string to say an order ID. Like, you know, we might just return an order ID or undefined. Is that what we want to do? Yeah, I don't know. Let's give that a shot. Try and catch. Yeah, we'll return an order ID, which is cool. Okay, so we're going to say const res equals await fetch. Okay, and then we say https api.luno.com. Yo, we're going to have so many things going wrong here. It's going to be amazing. I'm so excited. API 1 post order pair. I mean, I'm excited. Nobody else is here, so it's just me streaming alone. The joys of streaming all alone. It's fine. We will get there someday in life. Okay, so we have pair. And then we have type, which is going to be a type. And then we're going to have and price, which is going to be the price. We're going to have an and we're going to have volume, which will be the volume. Fantastic. Big boss, you're here. It's not just me. I think it's actually, yeah, sorry. My Twitch is bugging out. Oh, I'm not alone. It's more than just the two of us, or just me. My Twitch says there's only one viewer. It lied to me, Big Boss. It lied to me. I thought I was the only one viewer. Guess I don't count if I'm watching myself. Okay, cool. So we're gonna have headers, the usual authorization, and method. It's gonna be get. I don't understand you, Big Boss. I have no idea why you're still here. Makes me nervous, to be honest. Why are you still here? Why would you watch this absolute failure of a stream? No, I'm kidding. It's not an absolute failure. It's only a minor failure. Okay, if response is not okay, we're going to throw a new error. We'll say error posting new order. Also failed to post new order. Why not? No, I'm joking. It's not that bad. We'll say pair, and then we'll say pair, and then we'll do some other separation, saying type, and then type, just so that there's some sort of, you know, thing there. Price, and we'll say price, and then we'll say volume and volume. And we'll do a similar thing down here. We'll say catch. I need to actually say E there. And then we'll say E.message. I actually like this idea of showing my errors that way. Okay. Finally, if the response is actually okay, we say const, and we're going to get the order ID. And we'll say await JSON dot it's res.json. Res.json. Okay, cool. And we will return order ID as string. Fantastic. Absolutely-tastic. Okay. Flip, now what I do? I think this might just work. At the spread value. Yeah. What is wrong with this new price? I forgot to .toString it. Wait. Those are all strings, right? Yep, no, we're good. What the heck? It's asynchronous. Okay. So if trades.length bigger than 0, that's good. I'm just checking now to make sure that I haven't missed anything. Okay. We've said the latest timestamp is that. Okay, sweet. Yeah, that's pretty good. Okay, so theoretically, we need to actually start the bot when the app starts. So now we have to go back to the index and immediately say that when the client connects, on connected, once the client is connected, we're going to say that the bot has started, that the thing works. Okay, so we're going to say, guess I have to say Luno API. As Luno API from /Luno. Fantastic. Okay. So what are we doing? if channel, wait, we don't have to do that. We want to say Luno API that we will be getting from straight up Luno API, and we will just say dot start. It doesn't have to start with anything specific. Okay, the one thing I'm missing though is to actually call these functions. So we're going to say this dot monitor trades, and we'll monitor trades for Bitcoin. I forgot to actually post the success messages. Yeah, flip. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we will say we'll do it for that, and we'll do it for this. ETH. Okay, and I think we set the default value here, so we don't have to set it here. So that's done. Now, before I get too excited, I'm gonna need a channel in here. We're also gonna need client actually. So what I want to say is, I think if there's a trade that happens, for each trade, we're going to do a client.say if trades.length is bigger than 0. Okay, let's do that in here. And let's immediately say const print trades is going to equal map or trades.map, not trades. And we're going to say price, and we're going to say type, and we're going to say volume. And we will say, we will return this, and we're going to join it using that thing. And immediately we're going to print something traded, the volume, right? So we'll say volume. And we'll say round units on there. We'll just say volume as it is in there. We're going to have to need the assets as well. And over here we'll say asset. But we'll say if it equals XBT, then we'll say BTC, otherwise we'll say asset. So we'll say asset, and then we'll say price. Oh no, type. If it was an ask, otherwise bid. Geez, I hope I'm doing this right. Type equals ask. And first of all, let's just say includes type ask and bid. Oh my gosh, I cannot speak. Ask and bid. I'm bad at explaining what the heck is going on in my mind. If type equals ask, then we're going to say sold. Yeah, we'll say sold. And then we'll say bought. Okay. We'll say that. Or bought at, yeah, so much bought at, and we'll say the price there. We'll say USDC. I don't know what to do. We'll link it together with that underscore price. Oh, this feels dirty. I don't know if this is going to work. We'll probably refine it later. Print trades. And then we're going to say client.say. Client.say channel. And I think we're just going to say print trades. That's going to be it. We'll say new trades. New trades. Bam. Sorted. Okay, what is this asset thing? Asset? It's the pair, isn't it? Yeah, it's a pair. Okay, so trade has got a pair. Okay, so I've got to actually say XBTC to USDC. Ah, fudge. If it's that, then we'll print asset. Otherwise, we'll do that, and then the backup plan is we print nothing. Okay, cool. So, oh shit. We need to filter trades. We need to straight up filter the trades. That's the only way we're going to get this right. Oh, it feels so dirty. I feel so filthy. Okay, wait. So the pair here, if it's that, otherwise we're going to say ETH. Fantastic. Why is this like this? Oh, it hurts. Oh, not otherwise. That's the otherwise. Fantastic, it's working again. Okay, so we're going to say const filtered trades. Oh, immediately we'll do it up here. Filtered trades. And everywhere we see trades, we're going to say filtered. Because right now, we need to work with filtered trades. Because we only want to react to the specific trades that happen. So we can say const filtered trades equal trades dot filter. And we need to say where the pair and the type. So we want to only have ask and bids as the type. Dot includes type and the pair is going to be XBT USDC and ETH USDC. Dot includes pair. Oh, this is so much, and I'm not testing. I'm just going balls to the wall with this, and it's insane. Filtered trades, crazy. This channel thing over here. Immediately, we have to say if there's no channel, then something's wrong. We get out of here immediately. Sorted. This is crazy. Right. So next up, what are we doing next? I don't even know, dude. I think we're done. Okay, we're almost done. So we print the new trades. And then we create a post order. I guess we just say new trades occurred, right? How do you spell occurred? Googles it quickly. Occurred. That's correct, right? Nope, it is double R. Okay, cool. New trades occurred. So we'll print that. So we want to print when a new trade occurs, but we also want to print post orders. No, we don't really need to print post orders. That's just something I'm going to do in the background. Okay, if this works, I'm going to call it quits and continue tomorrow, because tomorrow then we need to do the actual, you know, automatic post thing. It doesn't work, guys. Trading bot USDC ETH since then failed to fetch US ETH to USDC. Why? I don't understand. I don't understand why this happened. So I've got to say I failed to fetch trades for F. Failed to fetch. Yeah. Let's check what's wrong with the res. Console.log. And we're going to log the response. And we will see what is wrong here. So it does trigger to start. Status text not found. Oh, I said equals pair. Okay. Why did I say that? Idiot. My problem. Yeah, let's see if this does anything. No response from Twitter. This is good. Is it gonna yep, it's gonna ask every 10 seconds. That's good. That's good. This is working. Okay, I need to get rid of this. So theoretically, watch this. From my phone, I'm going to the bot's online. The bot is running. Okay. So I'm going to cancel some of my other orders, because I have like an order for like a whole bunch of Ethereum to trade to Bitcoin. Let me just find that. Give me a second. And we have a limit order to buy some Ethereum for Bitcoin. Okay. I'm going to cancel that order. And what's going to happen now on my phone. Sorry, just need some magic on my phone. This is where the magic happens. So Big Boss, I hope you're watching and enjoying this great spectacle. I think I just... Okay, ETH to USDC. Do I have available ETH to buy? Yes. Okay. So I'm going to sell, or I'm going to buy like $2 worth of USDC. Okay. I'm going to do it at the current price that Bitcoin is at. I hit buy. I need $2 US. Okay. I sold $2 worth of Ethereum to US dollar coin. Okay, we're going to sell it right now at the cheap price. And it's going to happen. 3, 2, 1, and go. Trade executed. New trades occurred. 0.001 ETH sold at that much. That is correct. That's exactly what happened. Holy shit. It worked. That's amazing. That's huge. Failed to post a new order there, so I wasn't able to post I wasn't able to post an order back when that happened. So that is a problem. But we were able to actually trigger and see the order happen, which is really good. Let me just do a quick check at the post order. Pairs correct, type equals, and price equals, and volume equals. The ask is good. The pair looks to be good. The volume is okay. What's wrong with the price? I feel like we need to get the response. Yeah, since we're fresh in our mind, we'll console.log and see what the response was. I'm just gonna trade away now. Okay, well, we're gonna do some more buying and selling. I'll sell some more. We'll sell another $2 worth. Let's sell $5 worth, see if that works. I'm gonna sell $5 worth of Ethereum. So I'm going to sell it. I need to restart the bot before I waste more money. So let's see if we can debug it doing some live trading. Okay, so I'm gonna sell now. 3, 2, 1 is sold. New trade confirmed, sold. Okay, what was the problem? Method not allowed. Really? Why is the method not allowed? I've never seen that before. Post order ETH to USDC. Type equals ask. Because we did sell, so now we want to go and oh. Wait a second. Post order. Oh. We need to make a bid. Okay, that's the problem, I think. I hope that's the problem. We have got a problem going on. Because we don't actually need to do this. Okay, it's fine. We'll figure it out. We'll do that next stream, but let's do another sell. Okay. We'll do another $2. Sell Ethereum. Cool. You just raided me, dude. Geez, I hope that didn't break anything. Thanks for the raid, bro. How's it going, guys? I'm busy building a trading bot that lets me buy and sell stuff on my local exchange. Told you one of these days you'll manage to raid me, dude. I almost stopped to raid you. This is crazy. How's it going, guys? So good to see you all here. Watch this, guys. I'm on my cell phone right now, and I'm gonna sell $2 worth of Ethereum, and it's gonna show up in the trading bot. So there we go. I sold. Well, that's what $2 is worth. I have some errors, say method not allowed, which is quite odd. But yeah, that happened on my phone, which is pretty sick. Because what's supposed to happen now is it's supposed to create a post order to sell back at a higher price. So I'm looking there, and we sold 1 Ethereum, or 0.001 Ethereum at that much, and the idea is to try and buy back. So the bid, I'm creating a type bid there for USDC. Price is slightly lower, which is correct. I think that is correct. Yep. The volume is 0.001. Let me just see if I'm allowed to buy at so the volume is 0.001. Put a buy in there and make a buy order. It's gonna happen. Okay, so I've created a buy order. It hasn't actually bought yet, so I only like send a message when things actually get bought or sold. I'm just confused as to why it's not. This is the biggest part, the most important part. Unless I just made it so that I could only read and I couldn't write, I couldn't make trades. Why is my method not allowed? because I feel like it's correct. Maybe my API key is wrong. Let me just check something on the side here. I'm gonna go look up my API key. Oh, it's so nice to hear sparkly noises and hear that you just rated me, dude. Thank you. I'm just doing some things on the side to make sure that my API key is right. I think what I needed to do was give myself specific trading permissions, which I didn't do. So I might need to update my API. Stop thanking me. Well, I can't help it, okay? Just freaking deal with it. I am thankful and you can... Yeah, I'm thankful. Let's just go with that. New trades occurred. Oh gosh, my bot's still running. My bot's still running, guys. The new trade has occurred. Oh geez. Hang on. There you go. The shout out. Yeah, the bot's still working. That was from the bot. There we go. Thanks, Brew. Freaking crashed it. Oh, hang on, guys. Georgina said she hopes I have a great evening. Let me... Still twitching. You have 3 accounts? No, I have 2 accounts. What are you talking about? Oh, crap. My trades are going off again. Stop it. Wait. Is it because I have another bot running? It is because I have another bot. No, it's not because I have another bot running. That we're good. No, I only have 2 accounts. I have Tipsy Pineapple and I have Lazy Crypto Trader. Is there another one that I should be aware of? Luno API. Okay, I'm trying to make sure that my... Don't say I never accessed it. I accessed it like today. Can I create orders? I should be able to create orders. What the flip? Sorry, I'm just like really confused the crap out of myself here. env. Why isn't it working? What? Not his Ducky, an actual person. I thought that's your alt. Oh, Big Boss. No, Big Boss is a legit human being. Right. Oh yeah, Big Boss used to have a 47. Yeah, no, Big Boss is just a cool human being. Just because he's cool doesn't mean he's automatically a bot. Why does it say method not allowed? I want to be able to make a method. Yeah, no, Big Boss is... Oh yeah, Big Boss just did his shout out. Come on. Oh, that's what I meant. So I made a shout out bot that shouts things out, but Big Boss went and like used it. I'm just completely lost, dude. I want to know why my method is not allowed. It's like to look up the Luno API. Why would you tell me that the method's not allowed? No. We failed, boys. We failed. We failed the city. Why is method not allowed? Ooh. Oh, it's because it's a post. What a stupid idiot. Post order needs to be a post method. So actually legit method is not allowed. Ugh. Okay. So that would mean that we would create a new order. Okay, but that's not actually the problem here. So one thing that I'm gonna do, guys, is this post order really is pretty much just for like an actual buy and sell. So I'm gonna have like some commands. Okay, here's a question. Here's a question I have for you guys. Ghoul, are you done for the night because you're just done streaming, or are you gonna hang out here and chill? Like what's the plan? Because I can go on for like another hour and do some more stuff. If you're gonna chill here. But if not, then I'd rather save the rest of the dev for another time, because I have been going for 2.5 hours now. So we could figure this out. We can make a plan. We could be like legit legends on things like this. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. In the meantime, I'm gonna open this up on the side and say git add, say git commit, and post this thing. Massive progress on Twitch chat trading bot, smiley face, and we will push it. Fantastic. Okay, so guys, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bugger off now, because I am getting a bit sleepy, and I've been coding for 2.5 hours straight. But I'm probably going to continue tomorrow. I'm going to continue tomorrow at around lunchtime, I think. The pre-shank show will start at like 1 o'clock, and we'll just code right through and do a pre-shank show. How about that? That will be fun. So tomorrow, 2 hours before shank streams, that's about 11 o'clock UTC. It's 1 o'clock for me. I mean, if you look at the time, this is the time for me right now. Right now, that time is correct. Yep, it's 21. So it's 9:12 in the evening, 7th of April. Oh, it was nice seeing you too, Weird Duck. Thank you so much for hanging around with Ghoul. Thank you for supporting him as well, because he's a freaking legend. And yeah, dude, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Big Boss, thanks for hanging out with me the whole time. You've been here since the start. I don't know if Megamin's still around. If he is here, thank you. Thanks to the other Monday lol guy who was chilling and chatting. And Ghoul, thank you for the raid. And Merowyn's butt. Oh, God, I love the Merowyn butts. Man, I love Merowyn's butt. I literally love Merowyn's butt. I wrote a quote for that. It's always good to see Merowyn's butt. So yeah, I'm quite excited. Guys, thank you so much. So yeah, let's start off to raid Sloan. Sloan Ranger. Sloan Ranger still streaming. We're gonna raid Sloan, guys, and we'll continue with this tomorrow midday. I think that her butt is taken, but Ghoul doesn't mind. I helped buy her chair, so to make sure that she has a comfortable butt. What other quotes have I said? Just a random quote. I said, "What a legend." Yeah, I did say that quite a few times. I have more quotes to add. I'll add quotes later. Anyways, guys, thank you so much. I hope you have a good evening / day / morning / wherever you are. Have a good life. And I will see you guys some other fantastic... Merowyn's laughing. I'll see you guys another time. Thanks again for all your support. And yeah, we'll stream tomorrow at 1 o'clock South African time. Should be 2 hours before Shanks usually streams, because that will be fun. I think that will be a blast. Anyways, I'll catch you then. All the best. Cheers, guys.